Hello friends! This crochet top slip is made with ribbing stitch. 3 pieces have been made in it, 2 for shoulder and 1 for all front and back. And in the last, border stitch has been done for finishing. Let's start. First of all, take the size according to which size you want to make and make chain stitches according to it. After making chain stitch, make 2 chains and then double crochet in the 3rd chain. Do the same in all the chains. Once your row is complete, then make 2 chains. I will tell you after completing this row. Then, after this, double crochet has to be done in the chain on its back side. Complete the row in the same way. You can make these 3 pieces separately according to your size and join them together. This is made according to its shoulder side, and the rest of the front and back is the same. You will get the border stitch in the next video. Thank you.